So let's create a two-surface volume of constant width, or solid of constant width. Before I do that, I just want to show that as these get more complicated, you can save these files. For instance, these are different things that I've made before. These are Autodesk Fusion files, not STL files. So I'm going to start by creating a sketch in the XY plane. I'm going to do a edge polygon. By the way, I'm going to press escape. I could press S at any time and start typing edge polygon. And if I click this, it puts it in the quick access. So an edge polygon. I want the edge to be 30 millimeters and not 6 sides as it is down here, but 3 sides. Press OK. I can zoom in here a little bit. I can use this center point arc tool to create all 3 arcs. Oh, you see there I didn't snap, so I can do undo. It's important. It won't work. Print out nicely. There's what I got to do. And there. I'm going to create a line. L is a shortcut, so I can just press L and it'll bring up the line tool. And I'm going to put a line down the center here, from here down to here. Now I can stop the sketch. And I'm going to go for a little perspective here so you can see better what's going on. Zoom to. Now, what I'm going to do is revolve. I'm going to choose this, and then with Shift, those other 2 areas, and I'm going to select the axis. Here's the axis that I want to revolve around, 360 degrees. Okay. Up in the upper right-hand corner, I can spin this around. So it's hard to print something like this out on a 3D printer, so I'm going to split it on that plane right there. So now what I'm going to do is split the body and select the body to split. I can select it over here. It's a good idea so you know what you're doing. And splitting tool is going to be this plane down here. What I'm going to do is hide temporarily the body. And it is that plane down there that I want to split it with. Now I can show the body again. Yeah, that's where I want to split it. And say OK. Now I can take the top half, make 3D. It's an STL file. Make sure that's unchecked. And if I say OK, that'll be just the top. And then I select that bottom piece. They're separate now. 2 different bodies. See body 1 and body 2. And I can, again, make, that's got to be unchecked, and I can make the STL file for that. And notice, since I split it, I have that body and that body.